planning to start a pharmaceutical business in Singapore? Singapore is a leading life sciences and healthcare hub, making it an ideal location for pharmaceutical trading, manufacturing, and distribution. First, define your business scope. Will you focus on pharmaceutical trading, wholesale distribution, manufacturing, or import and export? Your activities will determine the licenses and regulatory approvals required. Next, register your company with ACRA. Most pharmaceutical businesses choose a private limited company structure for credibility, scalability, and investor confidence. Licensing is a critical step. You will need approvals from the Health Sciences Authority, or HSA. Depending on your operations, this may include a dealer's license, manufacturer's license, or importer and wholesaler approvals. Compliance with good distribution practice and good manufacturing practice standards is essential. You'll also need a qualified person, proper storage facilities, and strict quality control procedures to meet regulatory standards. Finally, ensure your accounting, tax compliance, and regulatory reporting are properly managed. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we support pharmaceutical businesses with company incorporation, licensing guidance, accounting, and tax services. Visit our website to start your pharmaceutical business in Singapore the right way.